Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free SEO training, I'm going to be sharing with you a plugin that can help you to automatically post to WordPress from any article. And the new update even allows you to use OpenAI's ChatGPT. So it can import from popular sites like YouTube and Twitter, utilizing their APIs, or from almost any website of your choice using its scraping modules. It's called WordPress Automatic Plugin by ValvePress, and you can check out their YouTube channel. I'll be sure to have this in the description. They've been around for quite some time, about a decade now. And just recently, as of January 15th, around the time that ChatGPT, a month after it launched, or 2 months after it launched, they upgraded this on their website. So you're now able to incorporate OpenAI. You can auto post from OpenAI GPT to WordPress. Add your desired keywords. The plugin will call OpenAI for articles, matching your keyword or custom prompts. Supports all languages and custom prompts. Now, one guy right here, when he was mentioning keywords, he actually responded. Let me show you what he said right here. So one guy said, maybe I'm a pessimist, but I can't imagine Google being a fan of all the new AI-based sites that have shit out thousands of posts in a matter of days, especially if they're all based off of the same models. The content will eventually become repetitive and plagiarized. And he says, this is where keyword research skills differentiate bad content creators from a good one. Even with current prompt parameters, people struggle to create high-quality content. Nothing to worry about, in my opinion. So that's what he says. People are already spamming that with custom plugins, and now it's widely available. Not a good thing if Google decided to do something about it. Just my personal opinion. So this is what this guy says, and he says WordPress automatic makes it look more human and not automated. If you combine it with great list of keywords plus prompt plus images plus quality off-page SEO, I don't see how the website would not rank it. So a lot of people, there's a lot of back and forth. So I encourage you to check this thread out. I'll be sure to leave this in the description as well as these other tools and resources. But just going further down the list here, auto post from RSS feeds to WordPress. Add any RSS feed for the plugin to copy the post from any website. It can import the full content, auto post from almost any web page to WordPress. Single page scraper can import the wanted part from any URL. It will keep monitoring this part and copy to a new post or update an existing post if it changes. Auto post from almost any website to WordPress. Multi-page scraper can import multiple posts from any website. It also supports pagination, so you can import all posts from almost any website. I find a lot of different use cases that are useful, especially for my audience. The Clickbank function, AliExpress, eBay, Amazon. A lot of us are using these different platforms. You can auto post from Instagram to WordPress, auto post from Pinterest to WordPress. So I'll be sure to leave this in the description. It is $39. They do have a demo. All you got to do is just put in your email and they'll send you a demo that lasts for about an hour. You get an hour worth of access. But the way I found out about this is from Black Hat World SEO forum, and I've been frequenting this forum since 2015. So the way I found it is it just said WordPress automatic just killed the game. And I clicked on a screenshot here. This looks like the dashboard for the WordPress plugin. So this video is just an overview, just an introduction. Now, the only thing that I just want to caution you is as I was going down and I was reading, there was a lot of conversation around whether or not if Google is okay with it or not. So I want to share with you a couple of different insights. If you scroll actually all the way to the bottom, this guy here says, I've done SEO in some capacity since 2005, and I mean full time. Now his name is Malayan, not part-time, but full-time. This online biz thing has let me live a life that I could have only dreamt of as a kid, and OpenAI has literally killed SEO for me. I started working on natural language generation back in 2014, and my peers honestly laughed at me. I was using Python and third-party tools like Wordsmith, and this is what that looks like right here. And I was doing things that people here are just now figuring out about. Creating articles for sports betting just using spreadsheets and stat lines, custom scripts to pitch different betting lines, etc., etc. So this is Wordsmith right here, automated insights. Now this looks extremely interesting, so I'm gonna have to make a separate video just for this. But he linked to this website right here. So I'll try to leave that in the description as well for further reference. And when GPT first came out, I was pretty impressed and got to use it as a dev with beta access. But what I didn't expect was it was going mainstream as ChatGPT, and looking at it, I seriously think it's killed SEO. To the point that I held a meeting with my partners where we literally decided to forgo all organic SEO on Google. And you want to know why? Because we've been years ahead of everybody for a while now. I don't ask myself about what's working now, but what's going to be working in 2 years. And we don't see Google being able to handle every webmaster on the planet just pumping out tons of content. They simply don't have the computing power to index it. Couple that with how consumer search trends have been changing and people are using Google less and relying on other methods more and more each day. So this is just this guy. He says, we've literally quit all SEO. When you're on Black Hat World and people are coming on and can barely do more than copy and paste, and they're already talking about generating content that's supposed to actually require expertise to generate, you'd have to assume that for every one person asking, there are 100 more reading the answer and doing the same thing. There's countless more out there doing the same using plugins like this. When the barrier to entry has been lowered to $30, it's time to pick up a new shtick. Take your bat and ball and then just go home, because your favorite fishing spot has been overrun by people who just bought fishing for dummies and all trying to do what you did for years. I can't say what we're doing now, but we've literally had to craft a plan around where we don't see NLG being impactful in the near future. But this is trash. It might seriously destroy organic search as we know it. Not because something like Bing or you.com is better, but because Google will have to fight even harder to deliver relevant results, and consumers aren't going to scroll through pages of ridiculous, tedious AI content. They're just going to look in different ways. So this is a very insightful comment. I want to share this with you, but there's a lot of other like contrary opinions, and there's a sort of a bit of a debate here. I wanted to give you that perspective though, just so you know. And I also have this in the description as well, because as a guy mentioned, Automated Insights is the creator of Wordsmith, a self-service natural language generation platform. So this is what the dashboard looks like. I'm going to go ahead and get this software, and I'm going to try to make videos around it because there's a lot to cover. They even have an entire playlist here, how to post from Flickr to WordPress, how to post from Instagram to WordPress. Now keep in mind, all of these came out 7 years ago. So you can just imagine with the new upgrades with OpenAI and the artificial intelligence integrations, you can do a lot more now. How to post from iTunes to WordPress. So it's been pretty much revolutionized, especially with the introduction of AI. How to import from Google Trends to WordPress, how to import Google real-time trending posts to WordPress, how to import from Telegram. So I'll be sure to leave this in the description, and check out their YouTube channel too. They have a lot of interesting tutorials, and I'm going to try to go through these myself and make content based around it. But I definitely wanted to bring this to your attention because I believe that this can be helpful for you if you're looking to automate your productivity. All right. So be sure to check out their live preview, the screenshots. Go to this website right here, or you can even check this one out, solutionarchive.com. They have an entire blog post right here, even with the navigation, where you can just click on it and it takes you to that individual section. Walmart, auto paste Walmart merchandise to WordPress, regularly imports from Walmart by full WooCommerce integration gallery, and get affiliate hyperlinks to get routinely set. So all of this was pretty interesting. I just wanted to share that with you. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website, jonathancoast.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic, business, and increasing sales. And be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this training, and subscribe to the channel. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you there.